Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel History Learning. Today we are going to discuss on the topic Maharashtra before Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj was a great man. We celebrate his birth anniversary with great pomp and reverence. It is a happy day for all the children. We sing songs and povadas in his honor. We garland his picture and say Shivaji Maharaj ki jai. But have you ever thought who was this Shivaji Maharaj? What was the great work he did that we celebrate his birthday every year? Let's have a look. Shivaji Raje Bhosle was born on 19 February 1630 at the hill fort of Shivneri near Junar in the Pune district. On the right side you can see the picture of Shivneri fort. He belonged to the Bhosle clan who founded the Maratha Empire. Shivaji's father Shahaji served alongside Malik Amber who defended the Deccan region, the first to be done by any Maratha against the Mughals. He always tried to free their kingdoms from the Sultanate of Bijapur as well as wanted to throw out the Mughal rule in India and establish a Swaraj empire. Monarchy. What do you mean by the word monarchy? It means the rule of kings. The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the medieval period. In those days, monarchy was prevailed everywhere. Many of the kings pursued their own pleasures and enjoyments instead of the welfare of their subjects. But even in those days, there were some kings who looked after the welfare of their subjects. The Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north and the Emperor Krishnadevaraya of Vijayanagar in the south are famous in history for their benevolent rule. Likewise, Shivaji Maharaj also commands great respect even today. Swaraj. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. Before Shivaji Maharaj. For about 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, Maharashtra was not free. A large portion of it was under the rule of the Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and the Adil Shah of Bijapur. On the right side you can see the pictures. Ahmednagar Sultanate and the Bijapur Sultanate. These two sultans had divided Maharashtra among themselves. They were not liberal in their outlook. They oppressed the people over whom they ruled. They were also sworn enemies of each other. They constantly fought against each other with the result that people suffered and were harassed. The people could not get enough to eat, nor could they celebrate their festivals or worship their gods openly and freely. They were not sure of safety even in their own homes. There was injustice everywhere. In Maharashtra, there were many Watandars like Deshmukhs and Deshpandes who owned Jagirs. They loved only their own Jagirs and not their country. The constant fighting among them brought great misery to the people. There was misrule everywhere. People were tired of this oppression and were very unhappy. The noble task of establishing Swaraj. Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. He undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. He first brought to book the Watandars who fought among themselves. He then used them in his plan to establish Swaraj. He fought against the powers that oppressed the people and defeated them. He established Hindavi Swaraj based on justice, fair play, and equal treatment to people of all castes and religions. Shivaji Maharaj made no distinction between Hindus and Muslims. He honored the saints of all religions. At the end, I would like to say we should draw inspiration from these noble deeds of Shivaji Maharaj. Thank you.